Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Bustle. So today we are going to solve a problem of hacker rank named candies. So the problem says that we have given an array and such that array contains a score of students and a teacher and the task of teacher is that the teacher has to distribute the candies in such a manner that he or she can distribute a less candy, minimum number of candies, and irrespective of their adjacent scores. Like we have firstly the score is 4, then the teacher gives this student to one candy, and with respect to 6, like in second element is 6. uh, since 6 is greater than 4, then we give 2 candies to the 6 student, and here the 4 is less than 6, then we again give one candy to the student because um, irrespective of 6 and 4 is less, so we give only one candy. And with respect of 4, 5 is greater, so we give 2 candy to the fifth students. Okay, and irrespective with respect to 5, 6 is greater, then we give 3 candies, and at the last only 2 is left, which is less than 6, so we give only one candy. And firstly you have to read this problem statement. Like Alice is a kindergarten teacher. She wants to give some candies to the children in her class. All the children sit in a line and each of them has a rating score or to his performance. As I explained you the problem statement, our task is to tell the minimum how much candies the teacher is required. Okay, so here is the here is the here is the length of score of students, and these are given to these are scores which are stored in the array. So let us move to our solution. Like we have to solve this problem in a big O of n complexity. So firstly we iterate a loop. Like no firstly we have to take a list. Okay, so we take a list L, and it is of size the same as size which size of score of student, because we have same number, we have to give same number of candies as the students present. Okay, then firstly we initialize whole the array with 1, and it is size of n. Okay, then we iterate over a loop like for I in range n. Okay, here I points to the first element. Okay, what is the first element? So here the first element is 4. Okay, we have to check, like if uh, we have to iterate only n minus 1, because we have to check this condition like ARR of I plus 1, like 6 is there, is greater than ARR of I means 2. We have to check since 6 is greater than 4. If it is greater, then L of I plus 1, in the place of I plus 1 we write L of I, whatever the value of L, whatever the value is stored in L of I means L of 0. We if 6 is greater, then here we have to store 1 plus 1 greater than here it is 1 greater than A of 0. Then firstly what is L of I contains 1, and we have to initialize L of I plus 1. So here L of I has 2 as it is shown in the test case. Okay, then we iterate over the uh, left to right. Okay, then we again iterate like for I in range in reverse order. We iterate here in reverse order. Okay, for I in range n minus 1 comma 0 from n minus 1 to 0 and in reverse order. So we take minus 1 as I think you all know about the syntax of for loop. So here we again have to check like if ARR of uh, I minus 1 because firstly we have to like in 1 0 1 2 3 4 5, so we have to check if fourth index is greater than fifth index. So we have to check if I minus 1 is greater than ARR of I, and again we have to check a condition in our array, even our answer array like L. We have to check if L of I minus 1 is less than equal to L of uh, L of I. Okay, then we place here L of I minus 1 is equal to L of I plus 1. Okay, and finally we return what? Sum of this L. Okay, so run our code. Let's see. Congratulations, our all test cases are passed. Okay, then we have to submit, and let's check all test cases are passed or not. Congratulations, all the test cases are passed. We successfully solved this problem. Okay, so thank you guys, and please do subscribe,